Have you ever wondered how you can make a positive impact on the environment? Well, if so, that's where Landcare comes in. So Landcare is a community-driven environmental movement that helps restore and enhance our biodiversity. Through Landcare, individuals and communities can come together to help protect and restore our precious landscapes. And it can achieve incredible results. Things like removing weeds, revegetation, and controlling erosion can help create much healthier ecosystems for native plants and wildlife. But Landcare isn't just about the environment. It's also a way of forging stronger communities by connecting people with nature and each other. The Shire's Seedlings for Landcare program is a great example of Landcare in action.
Hi, I'm Catherine Johnson. I'm the Community Landcare Coordinator for the Shire of Mundaring, and I coordinate the Seedlings for Landcare program. The Seedlings for Landcare program is all about enhancing bushland and creekland to improve habitat for our local fauna. The program supplies seedlings to rural zoned residents, friends and catchment groups, and local community groups and schools as well. We have 24,000 seedlings going out into the community to really enhance our waterways, which are really important corridors, to help with revegetation projects on private land and in our bush reserves. We have 352 applicants that are receiving seedlings this year, which is a huge number, and it's so great to see the community interest in this program. Really great that the Shire can assist our community to enhance our local native environment. What I really enjoy about the Seedlings for Landcare program is the conversations with landholders and community members who are really keen to learn about looking after the habitat on their properties, and it's such a rewarding program to be part of. Yeah, I really enjoy it.
So join the Shire of Mundaring in the Landcare movement and play your part in creating a sustainable future.